Amal Alamuddin is a London-based, British-Lebanese lawyer, activist and author. She is a barrister at Doughty Street Chambers, specialising in international law, criminal law, human rights, and extradition. Her clients include Julian Assange, the founder of WikiLeaks, in his fight against extradition. She has also represented the former Prime Minister of Ukraine, Yulia Tymoshenko. Early life: she was born in Beirut, Lebanon, in 1978. During the 1980s, Alamuddin's family left for London, and they settled in Gerrards Cross. Her mother, Beria, 66, is the foreign editor of the pan-Arab newspaper Al-Hayat. Her father Ramzi, a retired professor of business studies at the American University of Beirut, returned to Lebanon in 1991. Alamuddin has 3 younger siblings: a sister, Tala, and 2 brothers Sama and Zayad. Education: Alamuddin attended Dr. Challoner's High School, a grammar school for girls located in Little Chalfont, Buckinghamshire. She then studied at St. Hugh's College, Oxford, where she received an exhibition, and at New York University School of Law, where she received the Jack J. Katz Memorial Award, conferred for excellence in the field of entertainment law. At St. Hugh's College, Oxford, she graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in Jurisprudence in 2000. The following year, in 2001, she entered New York University Law School to study for the Master of Laws degree. For 1 semester while at NYU, she worked as a student law clerk in the offices of Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor, who at the time, was a judge at the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. Following her studies at NYU, she practiced at Sullivan and Cromwell in New York City for 3 years. In 2004, she worked at the International Court of Justice and was one of 2 NYU-sponsored clerks at the court. She clerked under Judge Vladan S. Vereshkatin from Russia and Judge Nabil El-Arabi from Egypt. Career: before becoming a barrister at Doughty Street Chambers in London, she worked in the Office of the Prosecutor at the UN Special Tribunal for Lebanon and at the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia. She has been involved in high-profile cases representing the state of Cambodia, the former Libyan intelligence chief Abdullah al-Senussi, Yulia Tymoshenko and Julian Assange, and is an advisor to the King of Bahrain in connection with the Bahrain Independent Commission of Inquiry headed by Professor M. Cherif Bashani. Alamuddin has been appointed to a number of United Nations commissions including as advisor to Special Envoy Kofi Annan on Syria and as counsel to the 2013 drone inquiry by UN Human Rights Rapporteur Ben Emerson QC into the use of drones in counter-terrorism operations. Alamuddin has also lectured students on international criminal law at SOAS, the New School in New York City, the Hague Academy of International Law, and the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. Personal life: Alamuddin is fluent in Arabic, English and French. She became engaged to actor George Clooney on April 28, 2014. References: External links: BBC News interview Amal Alamuddin shortly after Yulia Tymoshenko's release in February 2014, BBC Radio 4 profile programme on Alamuddin, Amal Alamuddin on YouTube.